Hey guys, so in this video I want to talk about the troll. The troll that Pokemon Company just did to all of us. They pulled it off. I did not see this coming. I don't think anyone saw this coming. I actually wasn't up for it, and I'll talk about all of this in the video, but a little bit of news before we get into that. So Battle Partners, all the main set cards have been revealed, and also some IR. So this Articuno I think is the big one. I actually really like this card. I think it's very beautiful. And this will probably be the most expensive IR unveiled so far, I'd imagine. Just looking at all of these, I mean, you got Cactus Lady or Man over here. You got a couple, really mid Iono Pokemons, Lycanroc, Meowth might be a little bit more expensive. I don't know, like Whale Lord Meowth and Articuno. I see those as being the most expensive. I could be wrong, but I don't think any of these are super huge cards. And same thing with the SIRs so far. You have Iono's Bellibolt and you have Hop's Zacian. So, we really haven't seen anything great yet from Journey Together. So it's going to be interesting to see what the rest of the SIRs look like. Same thing with the IR cards, but nothing too crazy yet. I'm not super impressed. But to get into this video and talk about what Pokemon did, right? We all thought that Pokemon was going to restock their Prismatic Evolutions products this morning. And, I even said in a video a couple days ago that they were going to come up with this. And last night, because I actually, if I'm being honest, I went to bed at like 3 a.m. and I said, I'm not even going to get up and try. There's no point. The reason for that, and I'll throw it up on screen right now. I'll try and remember while I'm editing this to throw it up. Walmart last night was doing tons of restocks of the regular ETBs, and that was Walmart.ca, right? So people in the US probably aren't using that. I don't even know if you guys have access to it. Other parts of the world as well. So it was insanely competitive. Even at 2 a.m., I wasn't able to get any more ETBs. By the time I would get things in my cart, they were already sold out, and I couldn't complete checkout. And then I even left stuff in my cart, and I still couldn't check out the next time I came back in stock. So I was thinking to myself, you know what? If Walmart.ca right now is this competitive at 2 a.m. PST, there's just no way that I'm going to get onto the Pokemon Center in the morning. There's just no chance. So I called an audible. I went to bed. I didn't even wake up for this. And I woke up and I saw that they actually didn't restock anything. So the PCTBs, the surprise boxes, the booster bundles, none of this came back into stock this morning, which I think a lot of people were quite annoyed with, because I've already seen tons of people complaining that they got up super early, they spent time on their phones, on their computers, and nothing restocked. I still think there's going to be a restock at some point, whether that's today or in the future. It is going to be coming. Maybe the PC ETBs are done. Like, who knows? I would doubt it. I think that they're going to, at least restock some. It might be really odd if they don't. And then same thing with, Prismatic Evolutions, the booster bundles, and then the surprise boxes. I think these, because I doubt they sold a ton of these guys. I really don't, compared to the PCTVs. I could be wrong, but I think that both of these will come back into stock at some point in the future. Just a matter of time. And if they don't, like, that would be insanely surprising. But point being, Pokemon trolled us. A lot of people were waiting for something that didn't come. And again, a couple days ago, I said my strategy wasn't going to be to focus on these PCTBs. I thought it was going to be insanely competitive getting these. I said I was going to try and go for these. But, at this point, guys, for future sets or even restocks, but for future sets, because I think this is important, especially when we consider Team Rocket is going to be coming at some point this year. We all know that's going to happen. In order to get that, I think the play at this point is going to be to watch Poke Beach when they come out with their announcements, right? Because the day that Journey Together was announced on their website, well, I guess that was like 12:30 in the morning, a.m. That's when Poke Beach announced it, at least PST time. And then that morning at like 7 or so, that's when everything came online on the Pokemon Center. I think it's going to be the same thing with Team Rocket, and that's going to be the best way to get it on the Pokemon Center. If that is the cheapest option at that point and people want to do that, you're going to have to, see the unveil on Poke Beach and then camp it that morning. Like, we can't rely on restocks at this point. We really can't. Everyone was banking on trying to get another opportunity at the PCTBs, maybe pick up some booster bundle pre-orders and the surprise boxes. If they're not even going to restock on release day, Pokemon Center, like, who knows what's going to happen with future sets. So at this point, I would say with Team Rocket, once you see that official announcement of it being unveiled, that morning be on the PC and be ready to go. So, it's unfortunate. I feel bad for a lot of people that were hoping to get some product. I've already seen tons of people complaining on Reddit. Some people have gotten stuff too, which is great. And I actually found out this morning all 50 of my ETBs from Walmart have been shipped, all of them. So I'm kind of happy about that, I guess. I still have no clue what's going on with my other 7 that I managed to pre-order from an LGS in Canada. I'm still waiting to make that video, depending on what they do. I've emailed them, they're not even responding. And I'm really not impressed, guys. So that video is going to be a little bit of a roast session, I think, when it comes out, just because it's really bad business on their part, in my opinion. And I'll be curious to see what you guys think once I make that video. And again, I'm just waiting to know for sure. But anyways, guys, in the future, be ready to camp at the Pokemon Center. We already saw Journey Together sell out instantly, and there was no cards unveiled. So Team Rocket's just going to be twice as ridiculous. That'll be a ton of fun. The morning of the unveil, be on the website. That's going to be your best shot to get it at MSRP on the Pokemon Center if there's no other better options from third-party sites. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.